Now to the coronavirus and a new forecast from the CDC. It's predicting up to 200,000 deaths in the U.S. by Labor Day. This comes as parents and teachers get new guidance on how to best keep kids safe. A private school in Florida is the latest to force students into quarantine because of a child testing positive. ABC's Andrew Fujii has the latest.
This morning, a grim trend in America. More than 1,000 people dying from coronavirus every day in the past 2 weeks. Although fewer states are reporting increasing cases, 17 states are seeing an increase in hospitalizations, and 21 states, plus D.C. and Puerto Rico, are seeing more daily deaths. This as many schools are still struggling with the task of bringing students back. Dr. Anthony Fauci advising on the best way to reopen.
You're in a red zone. I think you really better be careful and try to get your county, your city, your state down to a yellow or green.
Fauci also interviewed by actor Matthew McConaughey Thursday.
You want to open the bars or you want to open the schools?
In Florida, Tampa area schools now forced by the state to open or risk losing millions in federal funds. But for some schools that have already reopened, swift setbacks. At least 2,400 students and staff quarantined across at least 6 states. In Mesa, Arizona, personal protective equipment now being stored in a warehouse for schools throughout the district.
We've been ordering all summer in anticipation of return to in-person.
The American Academy of Pediatrics now recommending all children older than 2 wear masks, saying face coverings should be part of their new normal, like seatbelts or bike helmets. Researchers at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia say with fall approaching, the virus could spread fast in Chicago, Boston, and Baltimore.
They only have weeks left before the nights get colder, and the transmission dynamics may actually worsen.
Boston teachers rallied outside City Hall for remote-only learning. Their school reopening now delayed until September 21st. In New York City, pressure mounting to delay in-person learning until the end of September. In Fresno, California, one private school reportedly enrolling hundreds of new students for classes, but county health officials threatening to close the school if students come on campus. Later today, a hearing in Florida on the lawsuit brought by teachers hoping to overturn the state's order forcing schools to reopen. The hearing done on Zoom because of health concerns. Penn State University is revising a compact students must sign to attend classes. In the original document, students assumed all virus-related risk. Now the document saying even with mitigation, Penn State can't prevent exposure risks. Coronavirus also forcing school sports to make big adjustments. The NCAA president announcing there won't be any fall championships this year because there aren't enough schools participating. Kenneth?